Welcome to the Banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by placing the physical lamp mesh and basic room geometry so the light has context. Once done, enable Lumen for dynamic global illumination and add a skylight and exponential height fog to set ambient response. Make a post-process volume and set infinite extent if you want scene-wide effects. You're doing this now so subsequent emissive and light components react predictably. Make sure geometry is properly oved and scaled before adding emissive materials and light actors. Now build the emissive material. Plug an emissive color into the material's emissive output and expose an intensity scaler so you can tweak brightness in real time. Apply that material to the lamp bulb mesh. Then add a light actor. Use a rect light for soft area lighting or a spotlight for focused beam. Adjust intensity, attenuation radius, and temperature to match the emissive color. Finally, enable volumetric lighting and set shadowing options. These choices control how the night light lights surfaces and fog. To finish, tune post-process settings. Increase bloom for glow, lock exposure, or set min/max EV to keep night mood, and color grade toward warm tones. If you use static lights, run a lighting build. If you prefer dynamic interaction, set lights to movable and calibrate lumen or ray tracing. If brightness looks wrong or leaks occur, check light mobility, ensure proper light map UVs on meshes, and verify lumen is enabled. These fixes resolve most night light artifacts quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.